go past Texas, Tennessee, and Arizona?
No, we're actually going in the complete opposite direction of all 3 states that you just said.
Because I already know these states my cousins live in.
Yeah.
And then I only know Arizona, Tennessee, and Texas.
We're going to North Carolina.
Yeah,
And your cousins live in North Carolina.
I know that. That's it. 11, 10. Could you yellow flight now?
You guys were good? Your eyes. And look at yours. Turn it around.
A puppet!
Sorry, open your eyes.
Oh, a puppet! Can you open that now?
Yeah.
And a plane? Yeah, mine is a unicorn and Dory's is a unicorn.
You guys see him?
Lippy thing!
Well, we just got checked into our hotel, which we are staying at just for tonight. Then we got 3 more hours driving tomorrow. Obviously, the kids weren't going to make it the whole trip, the whole 9.5 hours. Here's Smoke's first trip in a hotel. You scared?
Go cats! Go get it. Baby.
Alright, did you ask Mommy if she wanted salt?
There, now, isn't that better?
Thank
With your own
You can just put it in
chair.
her coffee for her.
you. No. Thank you. No, I don't think I need them. Because I'm wait for the food.
Yeah. Hey, where are we going now?
To the beach.
You guys want to go still, or you guys want to turn around and go home?
I wanna go.
3 hours later.
No, I know you really like the hot tub.
You camel likes the hot tub?
It's our first day here in Corolla, right, guys?
Hello?
And we're gonna start by swimming.
Yeah.
You just want to swim in the pool right now, and then we'll go to the beach later.
Yeah.
So the pool right there. This part is like more of a kiddie pool. So Ari's favorite part is the hot tub right there. Let's go get in, right?
A kiddie pool is mine, and a hot tub is for Avi.
Oh, is that how it works?
And my pocket.
Why are we under here? Why are you sitting under here? Why are you sitting under here? Yeah, but why are you sitting under there? Always hot. Turn over to me. Does she need help getting out?
Yeah.
Oh. Pranked!
You stayed up.
Never do that again.
Never do that again?
Wait for another swim. Wait for another ride.
How do you put the jets on? That button right there? Oh!
Let me show you quick.
Okay.
How much I touch this?
Oh, that's how you shut them off?
That's how you turn them on. And it's for light.
That's cool.
I didn't touch it before.
especially when the local.
Gracie.
What do you think, Kai? What do you think, Kai?
You can't step in the sand.
Come down here tomorrow morning, okay?
Mom,
Can you see the
wow,
clouds?
look at the waves.
Look at the.
We're not gonna go down, Ari. Let's get out of this guy's way.
See you guys. Last time.